Hello and welcome to this session where we will going to learn how you can trade options safe and simply with the help of Sensibull. So let's get started and we'll see who all can use Sensibull. So first, if you want to trade options but you are afraid of big losses, you find options too complex to trade and you want a simple way to trade them. You are looking for some futures options advices, but you want advice to come to you on your WhatsApp or let's say on your mobile. You want to make and analyze your custom option strategies and you want to see how your positions will turn out if market moves in a certain way, right? Or if you are looking for some way to predict the market direction. And lastly, you want to experience all of it but do not want to bet your real money. You want to do it by virtual money. So if you fall in any of these categories, Sensibull is for you. So let's go ahead and we'll see our first feature, that is easy options. So you want to start option trading, but you have heard that it is very risky and people lose thousands of rupees if market cracks down. So what if I tell you there is a way in which you can trade options without losing more than, let's say, 4,000 rupees, even if market cracks down, let's say 10%, 20% or 30%, you are not going to lose more than 4,000. And what if I tell you you can do it with just simply guessing up, down or neutral? And there is no need to know anything about options. You just have to guess the market direction, up, down and neutral, and we will give you the best option trade with unlimited loss. So we'll go ahead and see how this particular feature works. So this is the home page of Sensibull. The website is web.sensibull.com. You can find the link in the description also. So here you will find the easy option feature. So as the name suggests, easy option is the easiest way to trade options. Here you will get three options to three instruments to trade in: Nifty, Bank Nifty and USD INR. So let's say my view for Nifty is going to be down for this particular week. So as soon as I select down, system asked me another question, that was the move what you are anticipating, the down move what you are anticipating. Is it a small move? Is it an average move or is it a big move? Correct. So the beauty here is no matter what trade I take, my maximum profit and my maximum loss is capped there. So people say that option trading is very risky, people can lose thousands of rupees in this, but look at this. So let's say I take this average move trade. Before taking the trade, I know I can make 2,700 rupees in this, and if I lose, I'm going to lose around 2,200 rupees in it, right? So if I want to see the more details of it, I can click on this detail button and I can see when I'm going to make this much amount of profit. So when Nifty is going to end up below 17,500, I'll make this much amount. And if Nifty is going to end up above 17,600, I'm going to lose this much. And what is my break even? My break even is 17,555. If Nifty ends up here, I'm not going to lose anything and I'm not going to make anything. That means no profit and no loss condition. So as a beginner, I want to know only these four things, right? What and when is my maximum profit? What and when is my maximum loss? What is my break even? And how much fund do I need to take this particular trade? Correct? So if I like this particular option, I can trade it by clicking on this particular trade button. And let's say I do like this particular trade, but I'm not ready to bet my real money on it. So what I can do, I can always trade it virtually. So if I click on this virtual trade, I can create a portfolio saying Nifty down. Okay. And what is my strategy name? It is an average move strategy, right? Average move, easy options strategy. And I'll create the particular portfolio and strategy. And when I click on confirm, this particular trade has been taken virtually, and I can track these particular trades in this particular virtual trading platform, virtual trading feature. So here I can see how these of my trades are performing, what is the unrealized P&L and what is the realized P&L for it and what is the total P&L, right? So I can see how I am performing in the market, how my strategy is performing in the market, but without losing my real money. So this is the power of virtual trade. So here if you can see, to take this particular trade I need around 24,000 rupees. So let's say I don't have this much amount of margin with me, then I have another option where I can trade from a margin of as low as 2,000 rupees. So that is USD INR. So here also you can trade very simply, saying where this particular where dollar will be this Friday. So let's say my view is neutral, and you can see to take this particular trade I need only 1,400 rupees. So if you have less margin, you can always trade in USD INR. So most people, what they do, they buy call option for an up move and they buy put options for a down move, which is a very bad strategy, correct? So there are much better choices than buying just call and puts to maximize your return and also increase your chances of end up in profit. So Strategy Wizard help you to find the best trade for your particular predictions. So how? So we'll see it here. So for here you can find the Strategies Wizard. You can click here, and as in easy option we saw, you have three instruments. We had three instruments to trade in: USD INR, Bank Nifty and Nifty. But here in Strategies Wizard, you can also get trades for different stock options also. But to keep things simple, I'll take Nifty as an example. So let's say my prediction for Nifty is going to be below 17,000, let's say 500, right? For this particular December expiry. So you can select various expiries here. You can also select a specific date, and or you can also select the intraday option. So I'm going to select this particular expiry, this weekly expiry, and I'll click on go. So here you can see, since if you see here, currently I am targeting around Nifty is trading around 17,560 rupees, correct? And I'm targeting a 60-point down move, right? But the best trade which system is suggesting me is the bear call spread, not buy put. Not the buy put. System is suggesting me you should do a bear call spread in which you will make this much amount of profit. This is your break even. This is the approx capital you're going to need, and this is the return you are making in 3 days, which is very fantastic, right? So if I want to see more details, I can click on this trade button, and here I can see what trades system is taking, what is the maximum profit, what is the maximum loss, what is the probability of profit. And again, if I want to take this particular trade, I can click on this trade button, and if I want to take this trade virtually, I can click on this virtual trade button. So you will find wherever there is a trade button, you will find a virtual trade button, so that you can take any particular strategy, any particular your prediction virtually also, if you're not ready if you're not ready with your real money to bet on it, correct? So you can click on the virtual trade and follow the same procedure what we have did for the easy options. Also, let's say you have any doubt for any kind of feature, you have these particular watch videos, these tutorial videos in both English and Hindi. Here you can see how this particular feature works, how Strategy Wizard works in detail in both English and Hindi. Moving on to the next feature, which is expert advice on WhatsApp. So currently these days we have different Telegram groups and WhatsApp channels where people give trading recommendations. But we thought that how I should verify that if any particular person who is giving the recommendation is good enough to give those recommendations or not. So we have a problem that who is a good research analyst and who is not. So how do I find if they are right or wrong in the past? So we don't have any particular trading history, any particular background checks for them. So what we have done here is we have made an advisory marketplace for of the best SEBI registered research analysts who give their trading recommendations, and those recommendations will be delivered to your WhatsApp, and you can trade those recommendations by just 2 clicks. Also, you can see each and every trade what they have taken on the platform. So you just have to go to this expert advice and you can click on this view leaderboard option. So here you can see what all advisors are there. So I can see all of these advisors. I can see these particular parameters from which I can filter the advisors. So the advisors what you see here, they all are handpicked, and we have done a thorough background check on them. Also, we have provided them a long probation period. So for the probation period, if they perform really good, they go live on our platform. And we have also a periodic review where we review their particular trades periodically from every 2 months or 3 months. So if you like any advisor, if you want to see more details of any particular advisor, so if let's say I like this particular advisor and I want to see more details about it, what you can do, you can go to this detailed performances, and here you can see all of the trade this particular advisor has taken. So you can see all of the trade this particular advisor has taken, and I can see if in which trade he has made the profit, in which trade he made the loss, and what is the ROI, and how much duration that particular trade was open. So I can see all of the details here, and if I like this particular advisor, what I can do, I can click on this follow button and I can see the plans for this particular advisor, and I can buy these particular plans, and I can follow the option segment of this particular advisor. So whenever this advisor publishes a trade, a notification comes to my WhatsApp, and I can trade that particular trade with just 2 clicks. So basically what I want to say here is, if they are good, you will get to know, and if they are bad, you will get to know by the filters what we have provided in Sensibull's expert advice platform. Okay, moving on to the next feature, that is strategy builder. So the strategy builder is the most advanced strategy building tool which is present right now in the market. So in strategy builder, what you can do, you can create your, so here you can find the strategy builder option. So in strategy builder, you can create your custom option strategies. You can choose from these ready-made strategies, and you can analyze your strategies, and we'll see how you can analyze your positions as well from strategy builder. So now let's say I don't want to use these ready-made strategies. I want to create my own custom option strategies. So what I'll do, I'll clear these particular trades. I'll click on this build a new custom strategy. So I can create my custom strategies from scratch here. So what I can do, let's say I want to create a neutral strategy. So I'm selling this and I'm buying this particular trade for hedging, and again I'm selling this and I am buying this particular trade for hedging, and done. So here, if you can see, all of the legs are loaded here. This is the payout diagram looks like for my particular trade, and these all are details for my particular trade. So now if I want to take this trade, I can click on this trade all button, and by Sensibull's basket order facility, you can trade all of these legs at once by clicking on this place all orders at market. So market orders are only available for Nifty and Bank Nifty because of the liquidity. So Nifty and Bank Nifty are fairly liquid, so that's why we have allowed the market orders on these instruments only. So here you can see how much margin you need to take this particular trade and how much margin is available at your end. Also, what you can do, you can rearrange the orders to optimize the margin. So let's say if I'm selling first, my margin requirements changes here, and let's say I am buying first, then again my margin requirements. So for this particular sequence of trade, how much margin you are going to need is listed here. So once I'm done, I'll click on this done here, and if I want to trade all orders at market, I can click on this market and place all orders at market. Now let's go ahead and see next features. So that is position analyzer. So the position page neatly displays your P&L for different instruments what you have traded in, and you can set some WhatsApp alerts or P&L alerts on your particular positions, and also you can analyze your positions for different market conditions. One, I can see the positions tab on the strategy builder itself. So I can click on this positions tab and I can see I have taken some let's say nifty positions. So when I click on this particular position, that position is opened here, and I can again, by using this payoff diagram, I can analyze how this particular position will turn out till expiry, or let's say tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So let's say I want to see after on particular day, let's say on tomorrow, if Nifty stays here only at 17,550, how much profit I'm going to make? I'm going to make 901 profit. So, and again, if I want to see, let's say market moves 0.5% up, how much loss I'm going to make? I'm going to make around 500 rupees loss. So I can analyze my positions like this. I can see how much profit I'll make if Nifty goes below 17,500, how much profit I can make if Nifty goes above some particular level on any particular date and at any particular time. I can see all of that here. Okay, so this is how you can analyze your positions from strategy builder. Also, you can go in positions tab where you can see all your positions again. And from here you can set the P&L alert. So let's say I want to set the alert that whenever profit is more than 2,000, just send me an alert. So whenever profit exceeds 2,000, system will send me an alert. Boss, your profit has reached the particular amount you have set. Now you can take the required action. If you want to exit the position, you can exit the position from here. And you want to analyze, you can again click on this analyze button, and this will be opened into strategy builder again. So moving forward, these are some advanced analytical tools, that is option chain, open interest, and FIA DIA data. So by these particular tools, you can predict the market direction. So you just have to go to Sensibull's platform, and here you can find option chain, open interest, and FIA DIA data. So if I click on option chain, so this option chain looks pretty much very similar to NSE option chain, but it's very intuitive by its representation. So by just one glance, I can see the 17,600 has the maximum open interest. So here you can see the put option interest is denoted in green, and call open interest is denoted in red, because we know that any call open interest is seen as a resistance, and any put open interest is seen as a support. So since it's a support, that's why green, and since it's a resistance, that's why red. So, and if you want to learn more about how open interest behave and how we can predict the market direction using open interest, you can always watch this particular demo video in both English and Hindi. We have explained in very detailed manner how open interest behaves and how you should analyze open interest with your chart analysis skill. So that you can watch here. Going forward to next particular feature, that is open interest. So pretty much similar to option chain, but here you can get a intraday glance, and you can see which strikes are getting more interest in terms of call or put, more open interest in terms of call and put. So here I can see these particular strikes are having a call open interest today, getting build up a call open interest, and these strikes are getting build up a put open interest. So put open interest. So I can see call open interest is pretty much higher here. If you see, the call open interest is very much higher than the put open interest. So that's why I can make a brief assumption, a small assumption, that market is going bearish as per the OI analysis. And if you can see here is the historical option chain, which is again suggesting that 17,600 is a good resistance for market to break. Okay, going for the next particular feature, that is FIA DIA data. So FIA DIA data is the foreign institutional investor and domestic institutional investors data. So by this, what we can do, we can see how those big players are looking looking for in the market, what they are looking in the market. Are they thinking market is bullish? Are they thinking market is bearish? So we can actually align our view with respect to them. So if you can see here, this is the option data of FIAs. This is FIA option data. So you can see most of these days FIAs have had a bearish view of the market. So they have a bearish position. Again, if you can see here, the put buying position is very much higher than the call buying position here. So I can derive the market, the FIA is looking market as in a bearish term. Also, if I want to see what activity is happening in these stocks, I can see FIAs have again had a selling in the stock, and in index future they have a selling. In DIIs they have a small quantity of buying. So overall I can derive a view that FIAs are seeing market as a negative. So I can do my chart analysis, and also I can do the OIA and FIA analysis, by which I can get to a good conclusion that where market is heading in next couple of days. So this is how you can analyze, you can predict the market direction by using the OI and FIA data. Okay. So moving forward, these all are features by which, Sensibull's features by which you can actually predict the market direction and make your custom option strategies by strategy builder. You can trade options easily by guessing just up, down and neutral by easy options. Also you can get the best option strategies to trade by strategy wizard, and also you can follow any expert from expert advice platform to get the trading recommendations from them on your WhatsApp, and you can always trade them by just 2 clicks. So some other small features are, there is no extra charge to trade directly from Sensibull, and this is for all pro members, also for the light members. Also there is a education by Sensibull platform, where we have free courses also and paid courses also. So if you want to learn more about options trading and how you should improve your option trading, this particular site is for you, where you can learn. So if you can see, these all basics videos are free. These basic courses are free, and the advanced courses have this some amount of fees which is quite reasonable. So that also you can have in Sensibull. Also, if you are logging in for the first time from your broker ID, we will give you a 7-day pro trial in which you can actually explore how Sensibull works, how this tool works, and once your pro trial is over, we'll automatically put you to the free plan. There is no charges, there will not be any charges included in that. In this you will not be charged anything after that. So again, there is no credit card or debit card required for this particular pro trial. You just have to click just one button, activate my pro trial, and the pro trial will be activated on your. So this is how you can use Sensibull for a safe and simple option trading. So if you need any help regarding option trading, regarding Sensibull platform, you can reach us at help@sensibull.com. You can follow us on Twitter, you can follow us on YouTube. Our channel name is Be Sensibull for both Twitter and YouTube, and also we do a daily market analysis on our YouTube channel, so where you can get a good idea how to analyze the market for a daily or a weekly view. And this is the site where you can see how the Sensibull platform works. So if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section, you can ask us the questions. We'll try to answer all of them, and we are planning to come up with some more educational videos. So for that, you have to subscribe to this channel. So subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever there is a new video is uploaded. So till then, take care and have a safe and happy trading with Sensibull.